Welcome to Crochet Critters. Today I will be showing you how to make this super cute, quick and easy little flower that you can use to add to decorate different projects, different amigurumi, lots of different plushies. It's just a super cute little decoration that just adds something a little bit extra special to your project. So let's get started. So we start with a magic ring with 5 stitches into it, and if you like, I've got a more detailed tutorial on how to do the magic ring as well, so please go check that out. 2, oops, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Pull it tight. Okay. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So to start off, we just do into this first stitch here a single crochet, so just a single, and then we're going to, in the same hole just there, we're going to do a half double crochet, so yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, then yarn over and pull through all 3. And then again into that same stitch, we're going to do a double crochet. So we do yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and this time we'll go through those first 2, and then we'll yarn over and go through the last 2. And then we're going to do another half double crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, and pull through all 3 on the hook. And now we're going to do another single crochet into that same hole. Again, single. So it is getting tight in there, so just make sure you go back into that same original stitch. And then we're going to do a slip stitch. So yarn over, pull through, and then just pull that through. So we're going to just repeat that all the way around, so we'll do that another 4 times until we've finished. So I'll show you the next one. So we'll do, it can be hard to find that next stitch because we've crammed so much over here, but it's just in here. So we'll go yarn in there, hook in there, sorry, and then yarn over, and just first single crochet, and then yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull through, then half double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, and a double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, another half double, oopsie, there, and then a single crochet, and then we'll do, finish that petal off with a slip stitch. The next one, yeah, it can be hard to find the next stitch. It's just there. So yeah, single crochet, slip stitch into there, that, find the next one. So sometimes you just have to tease it out a little bit like that, and you can see it's just hiding in there. So we'll insert that there and do single, half, double, and the double, another half double, and then the slip stitch to finish that one too, and then we're on to our final one. So this one can be tricky to find, so just again just tease that gently over and you can find it just there. So start with your single, and then a half double, and a double, half double, single, and then we finish with final slip stitch just there. And then you can grab your scissors, cut yarn, and I just pull that through, secure it, and then you have super cute little flower. I hope you enjoyed that and found that useful. Please don't forget to subscribe and have a good day. Thank you.